The core technology that was used to build this bridge was structural technology. Structural technology is the technology of putting parts and materials together to create supports, containers, shelters, connectors, and functional shapes. Here is an example of structural technology.
We're building a house made of paper, blocks, and tape.
We're taping them.
Another core technology that was used to build this bridge was materials technology. Materials technology is the technology of producing, altering, and combining materials A beam bridge is the simplest type of bridge. It needs to be stiff and has to have the ability to resist twisting and bending under load. A beam bridge is made of a horizontal beam that is supported by piers at each end. A cantilever bridge is a bridge formed by two projecting beams or trusses that are joined in the center by a connecting member and are supported on piers and anchored by counterbalancing members. An arc bridge is a bridge that is shaped as a curved arc. It works by transferring its weight and load partially into a horizontal thrust that is restrained at both sides. A suspension bridge is a bridge with overhead cables supporting its roadway. Its deck is hung below the cables on vertical suspenders. It can support tremendous weight and spans huge distances. A Pratt truss bridge is a bridge with both diagonal and vertical members arranged in triangular shapes between the upper and lower chords. It can support dynamic loads and does not require a lot of material in construction. The Howe truss bridge uses metal vertical tension rods and timber diagonal compression members. Its use of both wood and metal materials led to it being known as a combination truss. It is a simple bridge to build. The Warren truss bridge has sets of diagonals in the shape of W's. It uses these W's to spread out the loads on the bridge. It is one of the most popular bridge designs. A through roadway is a roadway that allows cars to drive underneath a bridge. It is a common type of roadway seen all over the major highways. The Pony Roadway originated from the Pony Express. The Pony Express was a system for delivering mail, messages, and newspapers on horseback by using a series of relay stations. It spanned from Missouri to California. A flat roadway is a road that spans long distances and has no bridges above it. It is usually not found in major highways, but instead found in mountain or coastal areas. Tension is a pulling force. It is one of the most common forces that acts upon a bridge. Wood has the ability to resist tension. A shorter piece of wood can hold the same amount of tension as a longer piece of wood. Compression is a pushing force. The shorter the piece of wood is, the more compression it can hold. When something breaks from compression, people say that it failed from buckling. The top chord of a bridge is usually in compression.
This is tension. This is compression.
expression.
Torsion is a twisting force. It is most commonly found in suspension bridges. It occurs when high wind causes the suspended roadway to twist like a rolling wave. Shear occurs when there are two opposing forces acting on the same point. Shear usually occurs horizontally, not vertically. A shear force can rip bridge materials in half. This bridge was designed on Vectorworks. The design was then put into West Point Bridge where it was tested for efficiency. Changes were made to the Vectorworks design and then it was printed out. Balsa wood was cut according to the bridge design. It was cut into specific lengths using a knife and glued together using wood glue. Once one side was finished, another side was built. These two sides were then put together using more of the balsa wood. The end result was a Pratt-through truss bridge. The Pratt-through truss bridge was now ready to be tested. In order to be tested, the Pratt-through truss bridge was put under an apparatus that had a weight attached to it. The weight was put in the middle of the bridge and pulled up from a lever by a student.
Go!
You just got that thing?
The bridge broke because of tension. The weight pulled up on the bridge, causing the top portion and the bottom portion to pull apart. The bridge could have been made better by adding more balsa wood on the sides of the bridge. This would have made the top portion stronger and could have prevented the tension.